we're actually checking out. We're coming in here. There's a table tennis. This is a room coming in, and it is a big room. Here we got some water, we got the ref, we got the kitchen, and it comes full with all the things you need for a Filipino outing, right? Most important is this. Second is this. This is what you need. You can even see the time. There is an aircon. It's up here and it is cold, super cold. A little table, another table, a couch, where there of course is some bag under my wife. There's a power bank, and there is a nice big bed here, a small bed here, a TV here, and a nice big chair here. So let's just do the 360 here of the room. Coming in here, out there we go later. So here we go. The kitchen, fully equipped. Of course, there is also kitchen tools. And it's rather a big room actually. We stayed in a studio in Cebu City. Was much smaller than this. The studio also a lot dirtier. This was super clean when we got here 5 days ago. Still semi-clean, I will go so far and say. Anyway, here we go out here. And there's a little pathway. We got a shower here. It's wet because we just been showering. So I'll not go out there. Nice toilet, also for Western people. Let me put it that way. And out here, you see, we forgot some things. So now I will clean up in the same process. Hot and cold shower. Of course, the Filipino bucket. And me cleaning up just a little bit. Don't want that one, throw out here. So that's it. Easy, filling the light. So that's it. And it was one tree, and that can stay comfortable. That can stay 3 persons, 2 in this one in this. There can be 1 in the couch. You can also get a mattress. There's no really rules here. The couple who got it is very, 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 very nice. It's a Norwegian guy and his Filipino wife, and there is basically no rules. If you want to stay, you can always make a deal with them. You can always say, can I, we're coming, like say you're a call center agent or whatever you are. We're coming, 5 people, can we just stay in one room? And they'll say, we find a way, no problem. There is no problem here. They're nice. You need a motorbike, they call a guy, they come here. You don't have to roam around to find it. Always good prices. Very, very nice day. We enjoyed it so much. This is it for now. Bye-bye. We gotta go. But you know, before you gotta go, you have to have a breakfast. And a breakfast cannot be a piece of bread. It cannot be oatmeal.
This is light breakfast.
It cannot be oatmeal. It cannot be some bread. It cannot be a bloody pancake. It has to be Filipino breakfast. Looking like this. Don't get shocked. Of course, you grill a fish and you eat it, and you got this one, this one, my God, and rice. How the hell can you start a day without rice? It cannot be done. Filipino breakfast. Uy!